perfect roofer? I don't know. We try to be. We're pretty good. I don't think anything's perfect. I kind of make a point of telling people that things go wrong. What defines you is if you stand behind it and you make it right, you know? So everybody has issues, but we average 500 roofs a year. Even if 95% of them go perfectly, you're still dealing with some leaks.
I think consumers, though, when it comes to their roof, they expect everything to be done 100% right the first time, every time, right? If if you're a good roofer, it's going to be done right, no ands, ifs, or buts. What's the problem with that thinking or line of thought?
Most times that's the case. Like I said, maybe 99 times out of 100 that's the case. But we have situations where there's a leak and it turns out that the leak isn't coming from the roof. We have a situation right now where we put a new shingle roof on and the customer called us back for a leak, and after investigating a few times and actually bringing in a mason, we discovered that the leak's coming in through the chimney. So we're sticking through it. We're seeing through it. We're going to figure it out and make it right. But so things happen.
In that situation, were they satisfied?
So they're still a little bit upset that they're spending more money, but it's a totally separate issue. I think they were satisfied that we seen it all the way through.
It seems like you went above and beyond to try to help them out, right? Or at least alleviate their concerns somewhat.
Yeah, we try to. If you put a new roof on, you want the leaks to be fixed. We had another situation where we realized it was coming in through the windows, but we came out and took all the capping off the windows, took the frame off the windows to really pinpoint the leak and say, hey, this isn't the roof. You need a new window here. And we're not the guys to put a new window in for you, but come see for yourself. This is where the water's coming from. It's not the roof. And that costs money. That costs us money, but we're kind of happy to do that because we don't want someone to have any idea in their mind that we didn't do our job right.
I see that you guys have great ratings on Google. You have great ratings on Guild Quality. It seems like across the board that people are satisfied with your work. If you could bottle what makes Charm City Roofing a reputable company, what would you say that would be? What makes people give you guys pretty consistently these high marks?
Well, we're definitely pretty proud of that. I think just doing a good job every day and realizing, like I said, things can go wrong, but seeing it through and making things right. And we're really proud of those reviews because it's really, really hard to get good reviews. Somebody's upset with you, something goes wrong, they're pretty happy and quick to blast you online. But when everything goes as it should, it goes as it should, and we move on, and people don't think like, hey, let me leave this guy a good review because he did a good job. So we're proud of those good reviews that we have.